Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a report from WSFS Financial Corporation. Prepare for a financial rollercoaster. It involves numbers, strategies, and a peek into what might be happening at this bank. Are they swimming or sinking? Before we get started, if you appreciate clear and concise insights into company reports, make sure you're subscribed. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below where you can discuss these topics with other investors and enthusiasts. This report is what's called an 8K, which is basically a quick update that companies give to let investors know about important events. This particular 8K was filed on May 6, 2025, and it tells us about a presentation that WSFS Financial Corporation plans to share with investors and analysts throughout the second quarter of 2025, or sometime between April and June of 2025, or sometime between April and June of 2025, or sometime between April and June of 2025. Or sometime between April and June of 2025, 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 or sometime between April and June of 2025. Sometime between April and June of 2025, or sometime between April and June of 2025. Think of it as a sneak peek. The main point of this report is to share a presentation that WSFS, that's the company's stock ticker, management will be using when they talk to investors and analysts. This presentation is meant to help people understand what's going on with WSFS financially. It's like giving everyone the same notes so there are no secrets or surprises. This presentation attached as an exhibit to the report is the main course. It's not officially filed in a way that makes a company legally responsible for every single word as if it was a full report. But it's still important information. This means you should take it with a grain of salt since it's more of a marketing presentation. Now let's dig into the numbers and see what the WSFS presentation tells us. Unfortunately, this report doesn't contain all the financial details we need. It points us to the actual presentation. However, with direct access to the presentation itself, it's difficult to give you the financial deep dive. But we can discuss what this means in general. Companies share presentations with investors to highlight their strengths, explain their strategies, and paint a positive picture of their future. It's all about managing expectations and keeping investors happy. What can we conclude about WSFS Financial Corporation from this quick peek? Well, they're actively engaging with investors, which is a good sign. They want people to understand their story and presumably to invest in their stock. However, without the actual presentation, we're missing the meat of the story. Now for my take on WSFS. It's hard to give a solid opinion without the detailed financial numbers, but based on the fact that they're proactively sharing information, it suggests they're trying to be transparent. Whether that transparency is covering up weaknesses or highlighting genuine strength is impossible to say right now. Some of the risks for WSFS are that the financial sector is highly competitive. They face competition from bigger banks, smaller credit unions, and even online lenders. Changes in interest rates can also have a big impact on their profits. Opportunities for WSFS include expanding their services, growing in new markets, and using technology to improve efficiency. So that's our quick look at WSFS Financial Corporation's latest filing. What do you think about WSFS? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of corporate filings. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.